How to check system resources in Linux? To check system resources, we will use top command. It will show us the whole summary of resources. Top command, it will show us the whole summary. Now, if we want to sort by using CPU usage, we will use top minus O and then percentage CPU. It will show us resources according to CPU. Now, if we want to show all the process of a specific user, then we will use top command and then minus u and then specify username. It will show us all the process of that user. Now if we want to show all the idle processes, then we will use top minus I. It will show us all idle processes here. Now if we want to check the resources after an interval, then we will use top minus d and specify, then let's say 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, it will refresh the whole stats of the machine.